Good morning. Our project is the automated cat sitter. I'm Julian. I'm Rahman. So, the idea of the project came from, we both wanted to do a home automation system, but we kind of saw that the home automation system was overdone. And also we did a couple of research. We found out that 15% of cats get lost, according to a study that was done by the American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty of Animals. So we decided to do kind of something like the home automation system, but for the cat to reduce the number shown on the picture. So the use case for our project is for users that tend to leave their cat home for a very long time and go for very long hours of work or conference calls or something like that. Also, we won't have to worry about the door of the cat to have the other animals access homes, such as skunks and stuff like that. Also, the user can control different functionalities of the project through an iPhone app. So success for us means that we met all the criteria for our project on all the project working as a unit. Also, the project was received really well in the Design Expo. We were placed into the top 10, and all different aspects of the project are working together. So this is, success for us.
This is our requirement. So our requirement for our door, it must know that the door is HR and it shouldn't lock when the door is open. It must detect the presence of a BLE beacon within a set range. We have it set for for 1 meter. It should have a force detection rate of less than 10%. This means that preventing the detection if the beacon is more than 1 meter away. And it should be able to be overridden, locked or unlocked. And these are requirements for the vest. It should have a running battery life of 10 hours or more. Take an image and encode that image to base 64 and then upload the image to a server. And it should get GPS location and store the last location and upload the coordinates to the server as well.
So for the iPhone application requirement, we added 3 windows in the iPhone app. First one was to display an image when requested by the user, and second one is display a location of the cat when requested by the user, and also override the door functionalities such as automatic, open door, and closed door.
So for our door, we run a test to make sure to test the force detection rate. We had the beacon set at different intervals, different distances, and we tested if the door will unlock. We tested the RSSI signal strength, which we used it to determine the distance. So if the door is more than 1 meter away, we have the RSSI above 55. So we use that as the cutoff to give us the distance that we want.
So as a result, for the confirmation that the vest sent the image to the server, this is one of the confirmation for the test that the image was sent to the server. So it's just the picture here. And this is you.
So first, the door is set to automatic. When the beacon is close to the door, it's inside the door, and when the cat tries to leave, I break the brake pins, the door will unlock for it. And if the beacon or the cat was far away, more than 1 meter, it wouldn't unlock because it's not detecting the beacon. and you can use the app to set the override for the door. You can either be setting it to open. When it's open, it wouldn't detect the beacon. It will basically unlock every time the brake beam sensors are broken, even if the beacon is far away. And you can set it over locked. This way, it will stay locked even if the beacon is close by. As you can see, full auto lock. And this is the functionalities of the app, getting the GPS location of the cat as a dot on the map. And you can see the request an image of the cat surrounding. So, for details on how we got to the design of the door. At first, we planned on using RFID for the presence detection, but that didn't work out because low energy RFID had an extremely low range. We needed something around the meter. So we decided to go with Bluetooth low energy beacons, but those have a higher range than what we want. So we don't want the door to be unlocked when the cat is like 3 or 4 meters away sitting in the kitchen. That would defeat the purpose. So we wrote a program to just get the readings of RSSI strand, and we get different readings at different distances. And we used 55 as the RSSI cutoff with a brake beam sensor to tell us, that will basically tell us the cat is present and the cat wants to leave. When the cat is near, the beacon will tell us if the cat, and Socket IO was used to create a client. That client would connect to our server and give us the override functionality. Furthermore, to make sure the door is fully closed, so it doesn't lock when it's ajar, we use the reed switch with a magnet that will basically be on when it's closed. And when the door is being overridden as locked, it wouldn't check the beam sensors or the BLE beacon. It will just stay locked. And when it's unlocked, it wouldn't check the beacon. It will just check the sensors. And this is a flowchart of how the logic of the door is supposed to work. These are our design elements for the door. So we wrote a code for the beacon to detect the RSSI distance, and then we use that distance in our BLE detection. Then we wrote code to detect the code status using the reed switch. We also wrote an override functionality, getting us like locked or unlocked. We mounted it using servo and analog mechanism.
So for the vest details, we did a lot of research about the vest because we wanted to put the component on a collar first, but the collar, of course, did not, fit the whole component. So after searching, we found out that we can use a vest, anti-anxiety vest. Most cat can actually handle that vest because we wanted to put the Raspberry Pi Zero and the GPS module in there as well. So 2 clients were created, one to take the picture and one to send the location of the cat, and they were placed in the vest. And also a cell phone charging battery that was placed in there to power the vest. So for the vest design element, we put the GPS module in there to get the location, and we also did a client for that GPS location as well. And also the camera, we placed the camera there to take a picture whenever requested by the user. And also there's a client that was done for the camera as well. So this is a design of what's inside the vest. So this is a flow chart as well.
Yeah, so this is our GPS module and our camera module, and this is the whole thing that goes inside the vest itself.
So for the iPhone app application, so Xcode was used to develop the iPhone app. We use a Swift language for the app as well. For the Apple, we use an Apple map we added also a dot to show the exact location of the map. And then for the first we developed the front end of the application, and then we developed the back end of the application. And after that, we did the image display on a window, so the user can display an image whenever requested from the iPhone app. And this is a flow chart of how the iPhone app works. So request an image, override a door, and then request a location. And these are 3 windows of the app. First one here is the picture. So take photo, that will send the command to the server. It will upload the last picture that was stored in the server. And then door functionality is automatic, open door, close door. And then map, it shows the exact location of the cat on the map. So for the server, in order to override some of the problems of firewalls and port forwarding, we opt to host our server in a VPS hosting service. This way we would have continuously up and running server that we can access all ports that we need. The server was built we used a Flask for the server, which the main goal was it to facilitate and communicate between the server and the clients. So server design, we have provided 3 main functions. The first one is for the camera function, which is to take the image. So it takes base64 image, coded into an image, and then the GPS function and the door function.
And this is our Gantt chart. We finished on time. We didn't need to update it from last time. So this is the end of presentation. Does anyone have any questions?